All right, folks, here we go with another gorgeous, beautiful 2020 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive engine with 128,000 miles. Former state trooper, highway patrol take-home vehicle. Original silver from factory. The paint looks great, super sharp, very shiny. It does have some little tiny scratches as expected, but nothing big or major to worry about. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. She is road ready. All services have been already done, and I invested a great deal of money on this one, folks, trying to clean her up, make her perfect for her new owner. Let me stop right here, folks. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint. That is going to be a 20% all around, not too dark, not too light. Perfect color combination with this for this unit right here. Folks, I do have 2 antennas on the roof, and I do have 2 antennas on the trunk lid. Those are the actual antennas with the NMO mounts. They're not magnetic, so if you need to take the car to an express car wash, folks, rest assured the antennas are going to stay in place. So you guys can see, they're solid. Everything works in the vehicle, folks, and once again, she is in near perfect condition. On the rear bumper, I do have some scuff marks. I do have some holes where the license plate will be. Left and right, I do have some tiny little holes from the previous police lights. On the rear right, on the rear bumper, I do have some paint peel. There used to be a sticker here, so I'm assuming when they took out the sticker, the paint came along with it. I decided to leave that alone, folks. I put all my money in the powertrain. I do have a lot of ground to cover, so please stay with me on this one. I decided to leave that alone. I may have a customer that's not gonna care, or you can even put an American flag there and that will cover it. The paint looks great, folks. I couldn't see any door dings on the vehicle, but it does have some tiny little scratches. Once again, keep in mind this was a highway patrol unit. Most of her life she was out on the highway, not on the city. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have a new set of takeoff. Those are going to be the 225/60/18 Goodyear RSA tires. Folks, also I got to tell you that I did a wheel conversion on this vehicle. When I first got her in, she had the full wheel covers, so I went ahead and did the dog dish changeover. A lot of guys like this look, so I went with it. This is about a $600 conversion. You need new lug nuts that are special to the vehicle, so that those chrome dog dishes will snap in place. All right, so those lug nuts are not cheap, and it cost me $600 to do that conversion, folks. So yeah, there you have it. Losing my breath here. One spotlight. The vehicle does have one working spotlight. I did replace the regular halogen bulb with a nice LED bulb. Everything does work. Also, folks, on the front end, I did replace the headlights. The vehicle does have a new used set of OEM headlights, along with Sylvania CXC light bulbs, which are a little bit brighter at night. The headlights that came with the vehicle, folks, they were pretty oxidated and dirty inside. So I'm not gonna waste my time trying to open them up and clean them up, because they can break. So I do have 2 sets of headlamps on standby in my storage. This vehicle received 1. Everything does work, and it looks a lot better, folks. Let me hurry up before my neighbors start coming in. It's about 5 o'clock here. All 4 steel wheels are nice and glossy, folks. Steel. I didn't have to recondition them. They needed to be nice and washed, degreased, and that's the result right there, folks. If we go inside of the vehicle, folks, I do have a brand new OEM rear seat on this vehicle. Seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl, perfect vinyl floor, no tears, no cuts. I do have all 4 door panels are in mint condition on this vehicle, folks. No tears, no holes. Very nice looking car, and in immaculate running condition and shape. I'm actually getting around town in this one. Driver's side seat is in nice shape, nice and comfortable. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. In most cases, nobody sits there. The officer is alone on their own vehicle. I do have a brand new, new use OEM center console with wire harness for everything to work and light up as it should. I went ahead and purchased that on eBay, folks. That run me about $600 to do. And I do have my first neighbor coming in. All right, folks, bear with me here. All right, she told me I can wait. She told me I can wait here. All right, folks, let me step out. I fired her. Oh, well, let me come back in. Since the engine has been turned on, folks, I do apologize. I hope I don't lose my train of thought here. Vehicle does have 127,000 miles, but I'm gonna round it up to 128 because I'm still driving the car around, so I'm having a lot of fun with it. Stereo does work. eBay, I do not own the rights to the song. Honk does work, folks. LED does work. Red LED, white LED. Super cold air conditioner, folks. Everything here works in the center console, folks. I set you up really good. It is complete. Every time I touch this car, folks, it's just like I'm preparing the vehicle for myself. Vehicle does have working cruise control. Vehicle does have factory working Bluetooth, so you can go ahead and stream your music and take phone calls through your phone, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Let me see. Am I forgetting anything? Manuals are in place. All right. Let's go to the trunk. All right, folks, on the trunk, I do have a full matching spare tire. Let me clean this up here for you. Hold down pen and floor jack are in place. The vehicle does have a new passenger side quarter panel trunk cover. The one that came with the vehicle is usually all cut out, and I don't like to have the big old gap, so I went ahead and got a new one on eBay, folks. Passenger side quarter panel trunk cover is fine. Vehicle does have a new battery from the department. New battery from the department, folks. Let me go ahead and turn on the lights. Everything does work. Beautiful car right here, folks. Before I forget, I also got to tell you that the vehicle does have a brand new set of OEM Mopar brakes and rotors all around. That is correct, folks. I dumped all the brakes and rotors that came with the vehicle, and you got a new set of OEM all around, folks. That's just the way I like to work. I do have a lot of parts for these vehicles in stock in my storage, so I don't like to wait. As soon as these vehicles hit the ground, guess what I'm doing? I'm ripping them apart. All right, here we go. Starting right to left. Brand new air filter. Throttle body oil servicing clean out. I do have 16 OEM Iridium Champion spark plugs in this engine. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Fluid and filter. Transmission was serviced, and I did use ATF +4 on this one. Fluid and filter kit. Stick to OEM on this particular transmission, please. Cabin filter was also replaced. Suspension is nice and tight, folks. Vehicle appears to have a semi-new water pump. Dry belt tension are in good condition, so I didn't have to replace them at all whatsoever, folks. Engine is nice and quiet. No funny ticks, no funny clunks, no funny smells. She is A-OK and 110% ready to go. Oh, I'm glad I remembered. The vehicle also does have 2 new sway bar links by Moog, passenger and driver side, and also the vehicle does have 2 new front drive axles. Both drive axles were torn when the vehicle came in. We found those starting to leak, so I went ahead and replaced both of them, folks. So passenger side, driver side, new axles on this unit. Wow, what else can I say, folks? Here she is. One last final look, folks. If you guys see something you like, do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm not sure how long this car is going to stick around, but she is in near perfect condition. If it wasn't for the rear bumper cover having the little paint peel, folks, this vehicle would be at A-OK, ready to go in every sense of the way. I could have painted the rear bumper, but I concentrated in the powertrain. The vehicle needed a lot of work. I do know these vehicles inside out really well, and I do have what I need to repair them. So all $4,500 worth of parts, service, and labor went into this bad boy right here. That is correct, $4,500, folks. Believe me, sometimes I do have to spend the money. Every time I get into one of these vehicles, I'm fixing it as if the vehicle was going to be for me, my wife, or my daughter. Okay, so these vehicles have to be mechanically perfect. I cannot emphasize this enough. My vehicles have to be mechanically perfect, ready to go. All right, I want to make sure you are safe and comfortable behind the wheel of this vehicle. All right, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. Serious inquiries only, please. Serious inquiries only. All right, folks, this is going to be SoCal Police Cruiser signing off. You guys have yourself a great weekend. Please be safe out there. The world's going crazy. Always watch your six. Take care. God bless, and thanks for watching.